The 2024 New 3 in one sweeping and vacuuming. Wireless vacuum cleaner is a state-of-the-art smart sweeping robot designed to elevate your home cleaning experience. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, this device combines sweeping vacuuming and mopping functionalities to deliver a comprehensive cleaning solution that caters to the needs of modern households. Equipped with a powerful suction system, the vacuum cleaner efficiently captures dust, dirt, and debris from various surfaces, including hardwood floors, carpets, and tiles. The advanced brushless motor ensures a quiet yet effective cleaning performance, allowing you to maintain a pristine living environment without any disruption. This intelligent sweeping robot features a robust navigation system that employs laser mapping and sensors to create a detailed layout of your home. This ensures optimal cleaning routes, avoiding obstacles and preventing falls downstairs. Its intuitive app integration allows you to control and schedule cleaning sessions from your smartphone, giving you the freedom to customize cleaning routines based on your preferences. Additionally, voice